How to use Screenshop feature on Snapchat. The very first thing you want to make sure that your application Snapchat is up to date. Once you have the latest version of the app, open the app. Make sure you are logged into your specific account. Now, swipe right and head over to your memories. Once you are in here, move into screenshots. In here you can see it says Snap will scan your screenshots so you can swap similar products from even more brands to customize your ads and more. All you want to do is tap on Try It Now. You need to wait for a while for it to complete this process. Once the process has been completed, it will show you all of the pictures with your outfit. Tap on See All. From here, you can click on any of the picture. Tap on Try It. Now it will show you all the clothes similar to your outfit. Scroll down and you'll get to see more. If you like the product, you can click on this heart icon. So based on the screenshots and the images that the user upload, Screenshop can offer personalized fashion recommendation, helping user discover new brands and product that fits their preferences. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can use Screenshop feature on Snapchat. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.